Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury on wheels, the 2025 most luxurious motorhome ever built. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace that redefines comfort, style, and sophistication for the road. Imagine stepping into a motorhome where every detail screams opulence. The exterior alone is breathtaking. A sleek aerodynamic design with chrome finishes, massive panoramic windows, and custom bodywork that turns heads wherever it goes. Built on a heavy-duty chassis and powered by a high-performance diesel engine, this beast glides smoothly on highways while offering enough torque to handle any terrain effortlessly. Now let's talk about the heart of this beauty, the interior. As soon as you step inside, you're welcomed by handcrafted leather seats, heated marble floors, and real wood accents throughout. Ambient lighting creates the perfect mood, and the ceiling features a starlight pattern that mimics the night sky. It's like living inside a five-star hotel suite that just happens to be on wheels. The lounge area features an oversized OLED smart TV, built-in surround sound system, and electronically adjustable reclining seats. The motorhome is equipped with a fully smart control system, voice-activated lighting, temperature control, and even window shades. Everything is designed for convenience and luxury. Moving on to the kitchen. This isn't just any RV kitchenette. We're talking about a full-size gourmet setup, stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, convection oven, wine cooler, and quartz countertops. Whether you're making a quick coffee or a three-course dinner, it's all possible in this mobile masterpiece. The bedroom is pure luxury. A king-size memory foam bed with massage features, massive wardrobes with soft close drawers, and a retractable smart TV that pops up from the foot of the bed. It also comes with blackout shades and soundproofing for perfect rest, no matter where you're parked. And of course, the bathroom, or should we say spa. You get a rainfall shower with body jets, heated towel racks, a vessel sink with touchless faucets, and even a bidet-equipped toilet. Everything you'd expect in a top-tier hotel bathroom, now in a motorhome. This 2025 luxurious motorhome isn't just about style. It's loaded with cutting-edge tech, solar panels, a silent generator, full off-grid capabilities, and advanced driver assist systems to make driving and parking smooth and safe. You even get a retractable outdoor entertainment system with a BBQ station and pop-out patio. With a price tag that rivals a luxury apartment in a major city, this motorhome isn't for everyone. But for those who demand the absolute best while on the move, this is the ultimate expression of freedom and comfort. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of luxury travel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more incredible vehicles coming your way, so stay tuned.